Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Starting off with the euro dollar, it is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, August 25th, 2025. Euro dollar, right coming down right towards our support level. Main support, 116.73. Short-term support, really sitting at 116.90. So we got two levels of support that are happening in the euro dollar right now. Let me get a ray right here. So look at this level right there. Okay, that level has to hold. Okay, if it does not hold, euro dollar is going to test the 73 level. And if that level goes, we're drifting lower in the euro dollar. Inability to get up above 117.80 is actually showing some weakness for the euro dollar. We got to pay attention to dollar yen because dollar yen is the one, again, that's running the show. So if I come over and I look at the US dollar index, we're starting to see a recovery in it. This was the valley that needed to break. It did break. However, there's been a slight recovery in the US dollar index, which is actually putting pressure on the euro dollar itself. Now, euro sterling is trading at 86.61. So that means that right now the cross is saying that cable and euro are going to trade in unison. So if euro dumps, cable's going to dump. Now, if you're long, like any of the crosses, you just got to assume. Let's say, for instance, you're long euro yen. You just got to, assume that dollar yen is going to run upward faster than the euro dollar movement down. Okay, so that's an important thing to keep in mind. So always look to the crosses so you don't get messed up. I know there's a lot of dopes out there that say, "Oh, if the euro goes down, sterling's going to go down." It all depends on the euro sterling cross. So if euro sterling was moving down and the euro is moving down, cable's not going to do much. Okay, it's not going to do much. So don't get fooled with that stuff. So your key trigger right now today is that 116.90. A break. Now, I don't like that it did this little dip, even though I know it's a short little term dip, but it hasn't recovered off of it to break through 117, say 30. I think we're drifting down. We're going to test the 116.72. I know it's very, very close. It's only 20 points away, but it's actually showing that we can actually trade lower to maybe even down to the beginning of this valley. Not there yet, but the level that you got to watch is that 116.90. Now, if it holds and we can get through this top, then we got a good shot at 117, like 60, 117.80 10. But that level, 116.90, is really important. Let's go look at the longer term levels right here. All right. So right now, if I look at the euro dollar structure, we popped through this top right here. I'll put a line there, but I want you to take notice of market structure itself. And I'm going to be covering this in the boot camp. Um, right there, we would have needed two punches through, consecutively in a row to show like strength. Right now, basically, it's just saying it's meandering around between 116.20 and, let's say the new high of 117.50. That's basically what it's doing. It's not showing any type of like, yes, there's a lot of tailwinds behind the euro. It's just not happening right now. The whole key to this thing is going to be dollar yen. Okay, so if dollar yen keeps running, yeah, you got a chance for the euro dollar really to sag a little bit today. There's not really, really great macro news for the euro, itself. Uh, Germany production is down. They've cut rates. I mean, what are they going to do? Go to negative interest rates, which is always a possibility. I don't know. So stress again. 116.90 is your level you got to watch, and then 116.73. If those levels go, we're going to drift lower to 116.20. If they can hold, we potentially can get through the 117, say 30 level. We got a chance to run to like 117, say 55, 60. What that flash is, I don't know. I'm sorry for that. I have no idea what that is. Um, I want to just look at the longer term euro dollar itself. Um, and here, it's got to get through 118, really. And then it's got to get through that 118.40 level. That's a trend change or potential trend change would happen at around 118. But still, there would be some like push there if it does happen. So, and I'll update you to you guys and gals about that. But just mark those levels I gave you, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, always get yourself a free ebook and a video on breakouts. Also, remember always to share my videos far and wide. I want to build a huge trading community and enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.